my name is Amy and I'm a dietetic intern for Milk Means More. And today I will be demonstrating how to use a box grater. So a box grater can be used for different things like carrots or zucchini, but today we're going to use the box grater to shred some cheese for my mug mac and cheese recipe. And I prepared the noodles right here just for ease of time, but I promise this recipe will blow your boxed mac and cheese out of the water. So to use the box grater, what you want to do is have a cutting board on your countertop and take your box grater in one hand and firmly push down on it to hold it in place. And then we'll pick up our block of cheese and we will just slowly slide it down the grater. And when you're using a big chunk of cheese like this, just be mindful of keeping your fingers back so you don't catch them in the grater. Just do that like this. And for this recipe, we need about a 1/3 cup of cheese. Okay, so we've got that there. So we'll take our mug with our pre-cooked noodles. So it's about 1/2 cup of dry noodles, and you can use any type. I used elbow macaroni. We've got elbows, and I tried the bow ties as well. And about 1/2 cup of water. So you just microwave that for about 5 to 6 minutes, and just be sure that when you're removing the mug, you use a pot holder because the handle can get pretty hot. Okay, so I did wash my hands before this demonstration, so they're nice and clean. So we've got the noodles in there. I've got about a teaspoon of butter. We'll place in the cup. About a tablespoon of milk. And about a 1/3 cup of cheese. So we'll go ahead and just mix that up a little bit. Just to get it really down on the bottom there so we don't have just noodles. Put a little bit on top. And we'll go ahead and put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. So cheese is a really great food to include in your diet to help you reach those dairy goals every day. So cheese is very rich in vitamin D, and vitamin D is important for bone health. So a cool thing about vitamin D is that our bodies can actually make it by using the sunlight. But as you know, here in Michigan, that is not often. We live in the dark a lot of the months of the year. So it's important to eat those vitamin D rich foods. Okay, so let's take a peek at this. Okay. I'm gonna give it a little stir more. And that is it. You just stir it up and your cheese is all melted in there. You can take a look and see like that. So carbohydrates are also important for everybody, but especially for athletes. So pasta is a really great way to get your carbohydrates in. Carbohydrates are our body's preferred fuel. So when you're out on the field, running on the track, you're using those carbohydrates for your energy. So it's important to get that every day. So this is a really easy thing to make after school, have for an evening snack. And we can just go ahead and season it with a little salt and pepper if you like. You can use different cheese, top it with Parmesan, anything to make it your own. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. Today I talked to you about how to safely use a box grater to grate cheese, and I hope you try the mug mac and cheese out. Thank you.